Yeah, so welcome you all to my channel. I'm Crypto Lord. You can call me Arbitrage Lord. Yeah, so today I welcome you all to a new episode, and this episode is exchange to exchange arbitrage strategy. Yeah, so in this case, you'll be using two exchanges to do our arbitrage with the help of the bots. So I've checked the bots, and the bots have given me four coins, but I want to use only one coin to do this tutorial. Yeah, and this coin, because this coin is familiar to most of my followers, so I'll be using this coin to do it. And the coin is ARTY. Yeah. So before you do crypto arbitrage, I want to show you some basic steps, but I'll not show you everything. If you need a mentorship, you just chat me and we'll talk. Yeah. So as a beginner, when you download your exchange stuff, first of all, you have to go to your P2P and buy your crypto. So you buy your crypto over here, and here, if you're in Ghana, for you to get one USDT, you will spend 13.41 Ghana cedis to get one USDT. And if you want to know how to buy your coin with mobile money, or it's part of my mentorship, I'll teach you everything. Yeah, so when you buy it, the money will be in the funded wallet. So you have to go to transfer the money from the funded wallet to the unified trading. So just click here and choose USDT. You see that thing? Yeah. So currently, if I come to my unified trading account, you see that I have 110 in my USDT, and that's what I will be using it to trade, the 110. Yeah. So after transferring the money from the funded to the unified, then you have to search for the coin. So this one, if you don't have the bot, you have to search it manually from Z to A. But if you have the bot will give you the coin. Then you just have to apply the trade forms. Yeah, then you trade. So I'll come to markets here, and I'll search for ARTY. So this is the coin I will be trading with, ARTY coin. Yeah, so I'll just have to come to the chart here. So over here, this one with Bybit, ARTY is 0.2582, and the BingX 2, I'll come here and search for ARTY, is 0.2601. So you can see that there is a difference. There's a difference between it. Yeah. So it means that here is very cheap and here is okay. So I'll buy it from Bybit here and I'll sell it over here. Yeah. But before you do it, don't think that you can buy and sell and you make profit. There are three things that you have to consider before you do every trade. And that's what most of people who do crypto arbitrage on YouTube or TikTok, they don't tell you, because it's part of their mentorship and they will not just put it out for free. No. Yeah. So you can see that the chart here is going up. Here is going up, and you can see that over here too, the chart is coming down. You see that thing? Yeah. So we have the bot will give you more than 70 exchanges, and it will give you more than 100 coin opportunity coins that you can trade. So you just have to search for the coin that you can easily make money. So this coin, if I have $1,000, I can make $8 per trade, $9 per trade, $10 per trade. So I'll just come here and buy. Like, let's say I'm using $1,000, because exchange to exchange, it favors people who have the capital. Yeah, if you have the capital, the exchange to exchange is very favorable. So if I'm using $1,000 to trade, I'll be getting 8.13. So you just have to deduct your trading fee and the address fee from it, and the rest is for you. So this one, the $8 profit, is a profit on just one trade. And this one's unlimited. You can trade as many as you want. When the bots give you the opportunity coin and you search, you apply the trade forms and you say everything is okay and stuff. In this case, BingX and Bybit, they are all regulated legally. You can trade as many as you want. You can trade as many as you want. So in this case, one trade will give you $8. So you can trade as many as you want if you have the time. And you can know that when you're doing the trade, the profits can be high, the profits can be low, because it's charts. It's charts. It keep on going up, coming down. It's that thing. So it's charts. So you can make more than $9. Can make $7. It's charts. It's that thing. Yeah. So this is how you do exchange to exchange. And if you have small capital, like let's say if you have to like $10, $10, so $300, so $10, you'll be getting $2 as what, as your profit. Yeah. And don't, like when you're doing arbitrage, don't sell it on limits. We have a way to sell it. We have a way to sell it. Don't sell it on limit. Yeah. So when you're trading with $300, you'll be getting $2 as profit. So $2 as profit. If you see, so in arbitrage, the higher the capital, the higher the profit. So you're getting $2. So imagine if you're trading 20 times, you're getting $40, right? $40. If you're trading 10 times, you're getting $20. Is it right then? Yeah. So at times when you have huge capital, arbitrage is good for you. So you can see that right now it's coming down, it's dropping. So if I come to year 2, you see, so that's how arbitrage is. So consider right now here's 0.2582, and here's what? Here's 0.2567. You see, so right now on Bybit is higher than BingX. So when you trade, that's what I'm saying, that when you trade, you have to be smart. At times people think that, okay, I've spot opportunity, I've traded one, I've made profits, so I have to trade fast. No, relax. Let's say you buy it at this rate, 0.2582, right? And all of a sudden the BingX drop. Don't be eager to sell it. You can wait for it to go up again. So when you go up again, then you sell it. You understand? So it's not forced. You can see that right now it's going up. Everything that right now is going up. Right now is going up. You see? So it's not forced that when you buy it at this, you have to be selling it fast. No. When you buy it at this rate, we want profit. So when you buy this and you're going to sell it over here, and here is small, don't go here. At times you can, this one will be small, then you check different exchange platform. That's what I'm saying, that you need the boat, because the boat will give you more than 70 exchanges. So if I come here, there is 0.2577, 0.2563. You see, yeah. So you can open many platforms. Is that then? Yeah. So this is how we do exchange to exchange arbitrage. When you buy it and it's dropping, just wait for it to go up. When it go up, then you enter market again, because like here it will go up again. Yeah, it will go up again. And so that the chart is going, it's moving up. Yes, it's moving. 586, 560, 526. I've written it. So right now the BingX is over this one. You see, so you can buy it here, come and send on BingX. You see, yeah. So don't be eager. Like, let's say if you buy it, I'm buying and selling, I'm selling. No, don't do that. When you buy it and all of a sudden the chart drops, wait, it will go up, then you will sell it. Some people will say that when I buy it, when I sell it, I lose money, because you didn't study the chart well. And people also make some mistake. That one I'll not say it. A lot of mistakes, yeah, when they are selling it. So yeah, so this is how you do your crypto arbitrage with the bot. So the bot will give you many opportunities. Then you make your move. It will make, like, the bot makes the journey very easy. The bot is just $50. It made the journey very easy for you. Yeah. So thank you for watching me. I'm Crypto Lord. And please, if you're on TikTok, I will not be a first person to chat to you. I don't chat to you first. So when someone chat to you in my name, it's not me. Yeah. Thank you, and I'm out.